Hello everyone, welcome to the Facts Unveiled, where we explore what science, time, and the universe are hiding from us. Today, imagine this: a portal opens, you get one chance to time travel, past or future, but no way back. What would you choose? And what could go horribly wrong? Go back and meet your ancestors, or leap forward and see humanity's fate. One choice, one moment, and one timeline. Because once you step in, you are gone. We will take each case one by one. First, go to the past. Let's say you go backward 200 years. You are suddenly a stranger in a primitive world. No internet, no ID, no modern medicine. What's right? You can't explain your future tech without being burned as a witch. You know everything, but you can't survive without anything. Second, leap to the future. Or maybe you jump ahead. The year 3000, flying cities, AI ruling Earth, or maybe a lifeless wasteland. What if humanity is gone? What if you are alone in a world built for someone else? Third, the one way curse. And remember, you can't come back. No second try, no goodbyes, no fixing mistakes. Whether you go to the Roman empires or Mars colony, your own life deleted forever. So, if the portal opened right now, would you choose the past, the future, or stay exactly where you are? Drop your answer in the comments and tell us where you like to go and why. And if you are ready for more timelines, theories, and truths no one dares to subscribe to the Facts Unveiled, your future self might thank you.